Welcome to Business Central Tips and Tricks video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Formula in fields. Let's explore how simple math can be applied directly in a field. Did you know that Business Central allows you to perform basic calculations while filling out forms? Once you've entered the necessary information and reach a field such as quantity or dollar amounts, you can easily use addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. For example, if you need to quickly input multiple values, you can do so directly in the quantity field. And the same goes for cost or any other numerical field. This handy tip eliminates the need for an external calculator. Simply perform your calculations directly within Business Central fields.